hae ke re ke lo batla mme wa ka. I ended up more struggling as a street kid, but ke hopola tsela eo ke ileng ka e tsamaya as a 7-year-old ke kena into a bush ke rapela ke re ntate Modimo o mphulose from dikgokgo. That was an innocent child prayer, but Modimo a mfitlhella mo ne ke le teng. I'm fitlela mone ke le teng and a utlwisisa kopo ya ka ka nako e ne ke kopa ka yona. I was able to cross a river stream. I'd never swam mo pilong ba ka ke sa itsebe swimming pool re ke ntwe jwang. But ke le ka khona cross a stream se ne se le wild ne se gale pula e ne ile ka fitlhella ko freewaying ke re ke lo qala ke lo thoma journey ya ka ya walker ke tloha Davidton ke ya Witbank.
O nkgopotsa go sheng o ke go le hore ke mone morena bile ke a motse o nkgopotsa go shela ya ke mone Jesu ke ya motse wa Jesu
nje ke nna o ke mone ke a motseba ebile ke a motlisisa.
O bolela taba ye nngwe o shetse tsene ka re ga ditaba nna nje re sa o dumedisha ya jong o shetse re tsentshije re tsene ka o re tsentshije go diegang gore o tsamaye o le ngwana o re go thoma go nyaka motswadi wa ka ebe go diegang ka nako eo gantši bana ba tlogelwa le bokoko le bommane a o ko ngwana ba re wa tšhaba o ya kae go diegileng mengwaga yeo bo le mo go yona ka nako eo ena le mengwaga ye šupa o re a wa ko nyaka mma wa ka jwale.
So mme le ntate ba ile ba arwana wa tseba ha ba qabana batswadi ba rona ba tla be ba lwana ka bana. So the 1 month re nkilwe ke ntate, the next month re nkilwe ke mme, it disrupta le sekolo ntweo. Ntate o nasa na le molekano motjha, and as ngwana mong lo mong ha motswadi o filang hore ha se biological parent ya ka ha o kgalema wena o tlo utlwang ka re ha o tshware hantle. So dintho tse nyane tse o galemelwang tsona ka be ke se ke bona hore mhlomong ha nka ya ho mme wa ka bophelo bo tla ba betere, because mo nka ra ke ratiwi a ke appreciatiwe ha ke bonwe. And more than anything mo ne re phela teng no na le next door neighbor's son o na ratiwa ke ngwana moruti a rata o bapala le nna ka tsele ne ke sa utlwisise ke utlwisise much later hore that was molestation. Nna ne ke bona fela abuto a ntshwara ka mkgo no se comfortable ha re dlala le bana ba bang o tla ba ampolella hore o tlo utlwisa bohloko one of the girls, and if o sa batle ke mutlwise bohloko e tla o tlo mo patalla. So at the time I'm thinking hore ke etsa botle hore ngwana mong a ska utlwa bohloko, because ke story sa se rekiseng abuti o moholo, he was 21 at the time. And ho sna motho enka buang le yena story se because ha ke na language ya ntho e etsahalang monna ha ke so utlwe ho bua ka yona, ha ke so e bone bile le mo televisioneng, ha ke tsebe hore ke bolella mang jwang, ha ke tsebe hore diralang. So I thought maybe ha nka fumana mme mwa le nteng ke bolelle yena o tla nkutlwa betere, yena o tla ithiba ntwe hore se ka hlola e etsahala.
Leeto la gago ge bo sepela o shetse o le boletse gore bo rapela gore morena a go tshireletse go dikgoga dilo tša go tšea bana tša go loma bana, o nagana gore ka tsele o sepetšeng ka gona ge o lebelela gane jwatso o shetse o lo mogolo sona ge e bo ka fetola nako ela e bo ka fetola eng ka sona?
Nothing.
Ouch.
Nothing, because tsela ele kaofela shaped the person e ke leng yena kajeko. I remember ha ke tlo kopana le first lift, it was a trucker. Ke ya mo trucking ebile kopa tshwarelo ho ba mamedi ba thobela. I'm not disrespecting Sepedi, I'm closer as they come. Ke a leka ke a leka a ke batlo ra ke tloa mo ba re bile ona a remix a Sepedi sa rona
a ba go rata bile ba tseba gore mo Xhosa ba ibile ba thagetse gore wa leka.
So ke fitlhe ke fumane truck driver ke no kopa mo truck driver kopa lift ke ya Witbank. Truck driver never asked hore o tswa kae, batswadi ba hao ba tla reng o le mo, why o le letong le. Truck driver just obliged ampa lift a re lekgowa la ka le tlo fitla in not so long ha fitla o bue sefana ka lo because o tseba seZulu hanyane and o mo bolelle hore ngwanaka ke tla mmolella hore ke tsamaile le wena and a fitlhe lekgowa ha ile ka truck re tsamaya years later ke lo batla pleke e se ke le Griselda Kananda jwanong ke batla o isa diteboho ho family e nobody knows that place yeah nobody knows that place they've never heard of it ne ke tseba hore somewhere in Ogis and I'm saying when you allow yourself to be used by God there are angels amongst us
bontshegisha ka lebaka la gore e re bule kosha ya mathomo e be ile romanna ka butse ba thieletse ka na re dumela gore mo iwana ga ne bya lena
this is the thing but you must also know gore rumilwe
ke ntse ke ibutšisha ke butse ntse o theletša go le mo tseleng
ke rapela
ke botšišetša ba ya gore na re sa dumela gore o tseba jwang gore rumilwe ke no tsebe ke o nagana gore ba o rumilwe ka nako
dingata dintho tse ileng gore di ile tsa etsahala ha ke di sheba in hindsight ke a bona re ka nnete Modimo is at work God is in the story and every time di etsahala there's a lesson and lesson that is not just meant for nna ke lesson for the greater good of humanity from divorce to being a teen mom to so many things to being a widow when you look back you're like one of them happening to a person o senang tumelo go fela ka bona but ntse ditla not that ke bitsa dintho tse mpe hore di dule di etsahala monna because ke re ke entswe ka tshipi no I'm just saying hore each time dintho tse di etsahala I know God has something to say to his children so I pay attention to that
o shetse o butsi mabati a mararo a ile gore nke a topile o shetse o boletse ka go ba mme o isa le o monyane le wena o shetse o boletse ka lenyalo re bolela gore ke lerato o shetse o boletse le ka kgaogano le yona re a bua o tlo re botsa tsona ka moka o nako ya no
nice breakfast
iga
le joy ke tloga ke le go ga botse wa tswa ke mo motlhale tšatši la le gono re tloga re ipsina bile re thabile go ka ba le me Dr. Griselda Kananda jwale wa tswa ke rata o ka botšiša o potšišo Dr. Griselda bona wa tsa keng leeto la gago le tlogile le ba leeto le le kaone le le gore le tloga le tlhotlholetša ebile ba bang ba re tloga re ipotšiša gore ana ka gare ga leeto le le gore le buile boima ka tsela e ka mokgwa le gore tloga o sepetse a šimola o bontšitše ga botse gore o botšere leeto gore o nyaka motswadi wa mme jwale motho o tloga a ipotšiša gore ana o bile wa atlega leetong la gago wa ba wa feleletša o hweditše motswadi wa gago wa mme mafelelong
I think a month later because ke le ka feleletsa ke dula strateng ke le bana ba re ba bitsang di street kids one of my campaigns go etsa sure hore re bitse bana ka di street kids because streets don't make babies that re beele morao to the village e godisang bana because if the village was there ne ke sa tlo fella strateng ke le ngwana ke matha ke ya from Davidton ke ya Wheatbank so ho fitleng haka my mom was only 19 when she had a baby. She was 18 when she conceived, actually 17 when she conceived, 18 when she had a baby. Nase ready ho ba motswadi. So eventually ha ke fitla ko yena, what was driving me mo tseleng ko re tlo bula mnyako a nkuke a thabe hore ke fitlile o bula mnyako o re o batlang mo. Wa bona that moment became the person e ke bang yena as ngwana skolo, e ke bang yena as a leader, e ke bang yena as a woman, because o ileng motswadi wa hao o itse o batlang ke rejection into you and o hola ka yona rejection eo o hola o batlana le affirmation from things selling already outside wena, and that's why ke a leboha every day that I don't know whether I say I was chosen, but I connected and understood hore ke tletseng mo ka tshwara lentswe la Modimo ya ba yona journey yaka. because that gave me power to even forgive, knowing hore me at the time she had no capacity to being a parent, and therefore I can't fault her. Ke mo shebe ke re o nkentse so o na sa tsebe any better, because ha re tseba bobetere re etsa bobetere. So I look at that experience and I realize well, so many of us re tsamaya le maqeba a ka mokgo re hodisitsweng ka teng, dintho tse builweng ho rona, and ha re sa fole re tsamaya re tsholla madi mo bathong who don't have anything to do le maqeba ao. Because o motho e leng hore le wa utlwa bohloko but ha o tsebe hore bohloko bo o bo channelle kae. So I've had to do the work to heal little Griselda. Tell her hore she's worthy, she's important, o bohlokwa wa ratiwa wa rateha.
E kwagala o kare ke ntwe e bonolo go e bolela gane jwa e upia kana go o sa le ngwana mama go botsisha gore o nyaka mmo o thoma jwang le go motshwarela leeto la ga o namile gona mo go tloga mo le tsamaile jwang setswalle sa ga go le mama ga go sibile ka tsela efe go tloga mo go fitla mafelelong go ba mamotla ge re bolela ka sepego se. So
she does that what you and I can call horrible act, but in the same breath words are the most beautiful gift. I know ha ke na capacity ya ho hodisa ngwanaka. On that day, I didn't even spend a night with her. On that day, we drive. So ebile trip from Davidton to Wheatbank to Sebokeng. And ke a ba leboha Basotho ba Sebokeng. That's where I got to learn my Sesotho. And ntate moholo wa ko ileng yena o ileng a nghodisa. That's where I ended up. And it was an unselfish decision at the time. But it was a loving, unselfish decision. Yahore, a kitlo tswara ka o keeper ke sna bokgoni ba o hodisa. But ankisa ko malume wa hae, who was my grandfather, and that shaped the person I am. It gave me identity. It gave me my voice. Ka ya skolong, ka holela lapeng le na leng di values. I look back today, I'm so grateful hore ntate moholo wa ka le nkgono wa ka ba ile ba bula.
Mama ga go kana kwe e ba le monyane o palletse go go tlhokomela. Wena o kgonne go tlhokomela ngwana, o bile le ngwana, o ile ngwana.
Because kileka healer, I recognized, and it's interesting that ha ke sheba le nna ke bile ngwana ke le ngwana, that I've had to see it as a generational curse in our family. Hore mme wa ka, she was 16 when she was pregnant. Mme wa hae was 17, mme wa ka was 17, I was 18, and I saw it as a curse in the family that needed to be broken. And I did. My firstborn ubile le ngwana anali 24, asana li tuto and ale hahai. And breaking that curse, I was specific. It should never ever happen again in this family. That bana ba le bana
re roba jwang Griselda ke botsisa so ka lebaka la gore ke ntwe ile gore gantshi direga metseng e mentsi a re no tloela gore ibile ka mo wena ibile o shetse ena le mongwaga 20 a ona ngwana iba o ka re ke semaka mola ile gore motho le ga ka ba le mengwaga e 12 e upia ana maikarabelo a se tshwa shome a se tshwa dieng e upia ka ba shetse ba mo lebella ka mogomongwe ka lebaka la gore ba no tloela gore ka gae motho go tloga ka mengwaga e 16 ba tla ba ina le bana re roba jwang ntwe o ibitsa mmamotla ore e bona ka gore ke thogako ke curse.
So we need to change the language, how we see it. O boletse hore ha re shebile ke ntwe e leng hore tlwaeleile mo hae. So ha ebe ntwe sa tlwaelehang, I change re bone as mohlolo hore bana ba ba le bana. Because when we put facts in what it is that we are dealing with, it's easier to be real about the situation. But ha re bona as tlwaelo mo hae ke ka mgo re leng ka teng, ke ka mgo tshwantse bo so na le ngwana at 20. What's wrong with you? Because everybody else has. But now in my journey in discovering the case, I actually realized, and it's a haki presenter to the rest of the family, babona le bona or kannete a sentwentle where all the firstborns le basadi ba ke buileng ka bona, ne ba ba le postpartum depression. But we did not have a language for it. Where how connect le firstborn ya how.
Yeah.
So ne ba sa connect le bana ba bona. Most of them o kry a lahlile ngwana o a tsamaile o a imise o a ime immediately after this one. Bana ba fetane ka bo 6 months. In fact, Nali, my late brother, we were 8 months apart. So it became a norm in the family, a norm that needed to be broken. A norm e leng ya batleha hore e bonwe jwale ka mohlolo, not something e leng hore tshwantse re celebrate.
Jole ka mma wa ile goreng ka nnete o tsene go ba mma e sa le ngwana re ka gare ga Afrika borwa ye ile goreng dinomoro tša bana ba ile goreng ba ko dikolong e golela godimo ba ile goreng ba ima ba isa le dikolong ba mmeleng ba isa le dikolong ke tlhoba boroko ka mono Afrika borwa nomoro ile ya gola ngwaga ka ngwaga ke molaetso o fe o ile goreng o buima o swanelang go dula dipelong tša batswadi sa mathomo ka tsela ile goreng ba godisha bana ba bona o tsamaile ka re ga leeto le ke na le bonnete ba gore na le tsebo ye kaone ke molaetso o fe o ile goreng bana ba rena ba swanela go tseba ka temana ye re tshwereng.
It is biological fact hore ngwana o ileng teenager mmele wa hae is not prepared to raise ngwana in her body. Isa le ngwana o santsana developer, and as a result we prematurely give birth be re senya dikahare tsa rona. And I would like not only a message that goes to bana dikolong hore also be ready ho ba le ngwana, but also to the government, that some of the policies and programs that you introduce mo baneng ba rona di etsa hore ho be boima ho hodisa bana. I know hore sometimes you are given a responsibility, and you are given a responsibility as a wounded person oneng a shapiwa ka lehloyo, and therefore you see corporal punishment as something e leng hore e tlo senya. Bana tshwantse ba kenywe fear of God in whatever form. We then need to talk about what that form is instead of saying don't do it. Because how to lekojwa sa le metsi, it's because tshwanetse or lekojwe in order for you to form something beautiful that is creative. O ka se lekobi a se letile. So tshwanetse one to understand or bana as a child, your body is not ready to give birth, and batswadi to be present in their children. Don't let gadgets raise your child. Because right now, la lili mo di dineng, go tafuleng, everybody to phone. How sana di conversations, hali bui. Bana baka ba tseba what it was like to be a teen mom. And them knowing this, they will never do it because they know how difficult it was. So as batswadi, we need to have these conversations with our children. Because how bua le bana ba hao wa ba thusa not to go in the same path more wena o ileng wa chateng, and oska bua le bona from a point of being a victim, but you bua le bona from a point of teaching, because when you know better you do better.
Ge re lebeletse nako e o thoma go bolela ka taba ya HIV go bile le dipolelo tše dintši tše ile goreng di a tswelela a se ntho ile goreng o no tsoga wa motla wana go bolela go tšereng mo go wena gore ke tlo botša batho gore ke dula ka HIV and ebile ke gona ene ke tlo bolela ka yona ka se be le ditlhong ka setšhabe ke na le bonnete ba gore batho ka moka ba šetse ba tseba gane jwale o mongwe wa batho ba ile gore ba bolela
and ba tseba, and they are in denial. No, I'm not in denial, bona they are in denial because ba sheba ba ntebella be ba re ai wena wa re shasha yo ntwe ya hao. So there I was living in an affluent suburb. I was not poor. I was not a prostitute. The many things that we associate with HIV.
Yeah.
And I am pregnant, a conscious decision. Doctor, I've got good news and bad news. Good news is that you are healthy and the baby is doing well. But bad news is that you're going to die of AIDS. I'm like, you're not making sense. And what made it worse is when we're now talking about where to from here. Now they're to some but because of your CD cells, you are healthy, so we can't give you medication. So you are saying it, but you can't help me prevent death. So how do we deal with this? And this is where I keep saying, because during that period, I then come across Therapia Oxygen. Therapia Oxygen, what it does, they take blood out of your one arm, put it back on the other arm, but it goes through an oxygen tank where it gets purified. Because I was looking for anything that can help. At the time, I'm not eligible for the ARVs. I can't do because of CD4 count high. So what do we do now? Then I come across that intervention. I don't even know where it came from. Now, coming from a nursing background, knowing that as nurse, it was always easy for me to tell patients, or understand because we break the fast to send kamakunya. But we reblella the patient or DJ handle healthy. Lunch ibes patlo kota. Tell me the nutrition ailing kamahara kota. 0. Because it's from white bread and everything is deep fried. That even I, as a person who was supposed to be teaching about health and well-being, didn't understand what that means. So as I invested, I realized, man, there's so much that we don't know. And viruses in their nature, they don't survive in an environment healthy.
Yeah.
Viruses in their nature, they don't survive where there's oxygen.
Re tlo bua re feleletša poledišano ye kudu ka lebaka la gore ke nngwe ya dilo tše e le goreng maAfrika Borwa ba tšhaba go bolela ka yona o bile batho ba bangwe ba ile gore ba bolela ka yona phatlalatša re tlo bua re tsena go yona o se ka lebala gore re tlo bolela ka lerato la gage, divorce ya gage, kgaogano ya gage le mo a leng gona
le rata ditaba yo
re a dinyaka ka moka re go buleditše tšona.
Jwale le Joy ke be ke rata o ka tseba mo ke gore re bolešana ka taba ye le gore e tloga e kusha botlhoko taba ye le gore ba tloga ba tlhalositse ga botse gore bona ebile a se ke ba ba le bothata ka morago ga gore ba tsebe gore ba phela ka bolwetse bo le gore bo tloga bo tlwaelegile ka nageng ya Afrika Borwa ga bjale ke rata o ka tseba gore o fetogile eng bophelong ba Dr. Gananda ka morago ga gore a amogele gore o na le bolwetse bjo jwa kokwanatlhoko ya HIV.
I think the beauty for Nna was that knowing about HIV brought me closer to knowing God. I know that this might sound as cliche, but it was the best gift for me because it brought me to my why I'm here. Because bongata ba rona wa krea to other people, to you see it as a blessing because of what it meant mo bophelong baka. I remember when I was diagnosed, Dr. Unaitse honna ke tla phela for 2 years because I still had a healthy CD cell. At the time, ne ke imile a re ngwana o tla ba a shwele in 6 months. She's 27 today. And I remember driving to work. At the time, I was supposed to drive to work, but I was so disturbed that I drove kaya kerekeng. Aki fika kerekeng, Muruti waka at the time did not say, let's play HIV out of your system. Muruti are, I'm not a scientist. I don't know what it means to you, but what I know is that Modimo orata. I needed to hear manzwe ao. Hore Modimo untata le boemong bo ke leng go bona right now, because this is a disease that's associated le ditshila with wrong decisions and there he says Modimo wa orata. So I held on to that. As I was driving home, I switched on the radio. On that day, the SAFM happened to be talking to women who are in prison. Because at the time I decided because he did this to me. That's how we were socialized, or somebody did something to you. So so because Kilega tuna into radio, and on the day they were talking to women who are in prison for killing their husbands, I saw that as Modimo speaking to me at that moment, or You may be angry, but that's not the decision you're going to take. That's when I drove to church. And Modimo a tlo re, "Tlo moruti," hore Modimo ke a o rata, a re ke a o rata, tlo moruti. So some of these things for nna, it crafted my why I'm here, because many of the things I do today were born out of that circumstance. Me having to represent South Africa in New York during non-communicable diseases commissioned by Kofi Annan, the late Kofi Annan, was through my advocacy in HIV. Me meeting Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela, him telling me that I'm light for the world to see. That little girl who was walking in the streets, whose mom said, Ufunani la. The statement that is loved by the world says you are light for the world to see. There has to be some meaning in that. Me sitting and having a weekly date, Amakunyali Snookfish, le Mama Winnie Mandela, and scanning about politics and a whole lot of other things. That was a moment. That was a God moment right there. There are many things that have happened in my life. There are many organizations that I serve in now. I mean, one of my joys in serving humanity is belonging to an organization called Africa Reach that is led by the former First Lady of Namibia. Sometimes when you say these things, wa bragger, but I do have the bragging rights. I said I'm God's fave, right? So I mean, Madam Ginkos is just the most amazing, humble human that we've ever experienced on earth. I was hoping that they would opt to have a female president for the first time, that their husband passes on and you have a powerhouse that the world recognizes. But unfortunately, because of patriarchy, they would not even consider her as a president of Namibia. Amazing woman. And that advocacy is in saying boldly that by 2030, no child, no baby must be born with HIV. Doesn't make sense. With everything that we know, let's teach mothers to prevent mother-to-child transmission. No baby should ever be born with HIV by 2030.
Yeah. Ebile eng khopotsa polelo be re bolela ka yona re nomoro ye re mo yona jole ka ma Afrika borwa e swanela go go magona mo ka lebaka la gore ba mmusho ebile ba shetse ba tlishitse injection tshwana ye ile gore e ba bitsa pen mo ile gore e tla wa itlhaba mo ile gore e khone go thibela bolwetse ba HIV ba thile tsa ditlano se ba shetse ba kwele re boletse le Dr. Aaron Motswaledi go ile gore tlhalosetse ka botlalo go yona gore tla ba e shoma ka sebopego sefe benong ye ya go lwantshana le HIV ka gare ga Afrika borwa ke ngwe ya dilo tse digolo tse ile gore swanela go tswela pele ka yona a re bolele.
But I would like to add something in that. In us advocating for the end, what is wrong with identifying what Africa has? We have herbs that are incredible, that are amazing. But we always wait for the West to tell us, sorry, out of a laboratory, this is what we came up with. Where are the herbs that we grew up with, that we know? Amangoma wetu, but what's ebang who healer? Why can't we get science to also connect with what nature can provide in killing viruses?
O nagana o ka re ge ikatla ka ke fe motlhala ka motho mongwe ile gore ngotšwa mo rena a re ke humanity.
Oh no, it will not see. Never. African potato has worked for many years, but because it's called Mojuke, Australia, it is genetically modified, it's acceptable. But during COVID, all these herbs that we were shunning away from using. Absolutely. So for now, for as long as the responses are not from Africa, I still have questions.
O boletse phatlalatsa gore ona le kokwana tlhoko ya HIV kana go e bo bolela ka gore motho mongwe ka nagana gore ya ona monna tla tlang go ena re njo ke a rata nke gopela
nomoro tsa my DMs
bona DM ke e bona o nyetswa changes fane wa di heaven
No, because I've never presented myself, Letabo, as a victim of the virus. A lot of the men that would be maybe but baba shebile as batlo tshaba because ho tla thwe le yena, therefore most of them see Griselda as Hakinali Griselda. We are both protected because she's got this. And that's why it's important to speak your truth. Skatula, wetse di decisions ile motho commit mo mothong. The next thing la infectana, there's reinfection, there's new infections. This can be prevented. Buang. How to exchange the body fluids ile motho? You need to know what's in their body. Because whether it's HIV or diabetes, because other conditions may affect generations because you fell in love or you got into a relationship with a person on a family history, yabo diabetes, yabo hypertension. So most of these conditions end up leading to sex anyway. So buang halishara di body fluids.
Osa dumela go lerata.
100%. So many times I've lost count. But I'm chasing Miriam Makeba, I'm chasing Liz Taylor. Ke so fitli mo di nambeng tsa bona. Ai. Na for na. If the love does not feel like home, if love is not served at that table, I walk. Because ke tseba lerato le modimo a nthatang ka lona. So the partner must bring that kind of love into what we regard as a union. And if that is not agape love for yourself so that you are able to love me, then I'm not a project manager. Oh, not to me. Hey, it depends on your reason for huboa. And leona ntwe ya huboa. It's stigma. Ke mang o buileng between na le ena?
Le buile ka mo.
Exactly. And for now it was we no longer relatable to one another. Relationship is about two people relating to one another. So when you are going to use violence as a way of communicating, and when I ask you why did you do it, you say I don't know. That's what I walked away from. And that does not necessarily mean ke motho mobe. All it means is that whatever you've learned, how you socialized, your way of resolving conflict is not the way that is suitable for me. So I walk, and as a result, somebody else has married him.
Premarital counseling.
Oh, we did all of that by the best counselor in South Africa. I mean, Pastor Ray McCauley was known for deep wisdom. But you must remember that in any class, when you are in the class, there's 100 of you. 10 people might fail, even though we are exposed to exactly the same thing. But how we process the information is different. It was the first time ever I walked down the aisle. I've been proposed to 5 times, but it was the first time I walked down the aisle. Walk down the aisle. It was the first time ever. The very first person I had a child with said, I want to marry you, I want a child with you, and only who fumana hore nasa batle lenyalo le nna na ipatlela ngwana, because at the time mosadi wa hae nasa fumani bana. So I was used as a surrogate mom without me knowing. But I'm grateful that because ne ba batla ngwana o ba mo fa lerato ba mo hodisa, and I've had to go back and ask for forgiveness to the child, because it was a decision as adults, but the decision affecting one differently. Because it the same decision even though it was not my intention, but I owned up moyona. And then for my second born, it was the 16th, nearly the 16th of December. We are about to get married on the 21st. The invitation, a bathunyiwa a bolawa, and to date we don't know what happened. Batho ba ileng ba mothuntsha, it was taxi violence. Ba ileng ba mothuntsha ke ha ba mo isa sepetlele ba mo siya mo. Ke tlo bolellwa ke security hore me mona ha o mo, because ne ba re tseba either o ntropile o ke tlile ka koloi ya hae go Tembisa hospital, ba re monna ha o ko a re so bone ana wa tseba hore o mo. It was a tragic thing e ileng ya irahala, and how I walked away from that circumstance ke ha ba ko ha bo ba re mo rona mo mosadi ha only anything wa kenwa. So there I was ke ngwana, I'm dealing with issue ya loss, ke tlhokofaletswe ke monna, and jwanong tshwantse ke tlo dumela ho kenwa because it's culture.
Yo.
And obviously God's favorite daughter can't really be held down by culture. I believed what I believed in me and knew hore ntho tse ne re di fumane as a couple, I'll still be able to get those things. Because matla a mo wena as motho.
Yeah.
So the third attempt ineli la mathomo ke walk down the aisle.
All right. Ora go sana le gore re tle re chatishe gape.
Not with the way marriage is.
Wena
Manyalo today, guys.
Ka ntwe boletseng ya gore taba tsa gago le tsaka arabile tswa ntwa o tshwana. Beno nga se wena o ka fetolang ga njo tswa ka mogo go leng ka a re laole ke ka maemo.
Yeah. I can have skill in NASA project management. Lerato lona ke na le lona. And I do believe that there's nothing wrong ho bali life partner. Because manyalo ntwe re bitsang manyalo today ke di transactions. Ha di tle le bo genuine, ha di tle le lerato, ha di tle le modimo. A ke batlo polluta my left years. Se ke saletswe ke dilemo tse nyane tle bathong, can I not live dilemo tse setseng?
O sa tlo bopula bana ba rena.
Oh no, o butsise my daughters ke a hana. Ha o tlisa ngwana hao, o tla le motho o sebetsang, o tla le credit card. A se nna nkgono o. Ba ka ke ikhudiseditse bona kere. Kaofela re etse. Oh nna ke nkgono spoilang fela.
A re tswalela poledišano ya rena ka re ga le maemo ka moka e le gore basadi ba tlhakana le ona. Molaetso wa botlhokwa e le gore o tshwanela go dula pelong tša bona ba gopole gore wa tseba keng ke nna ka kgona go bua gape e ka ba ofe ge re lelana.
It's important ho bohlokwa ho tseba hore o mang wa mang, who you are and whose you are. Ha re sheba malape re tswang ho ona, malapa ao can give you identity au fe sefane, but your true identity is in Christ. And what I mean by that, kholwa mantswe e modimo a wa tshilong in the Bible. O ska kholwa dintho tse ileng hore ba di tlisitse hore etsa hore be le letshogo so that re tshabe ba re tshwereng. That's a ministry for another day. Because Christianity and how the Bible was introduced to Africans was introduced as if Mudimu, and we've always known Mudimu. And until we get to a place where we praise Mudimu as African people connect to Mudimu. Re tla dula ntse re tshetsiwa. Re tla dula ntse re rapela Mudimu wa lethabo and not Mudimu o ileng wa ka le nna. So when you know who you are, whose you are, no one can ever fool you. And you are enough as you are. Warateha, waratiwa, waratiwa.
Ke go lebeletse ga ne bele gona le motho mongwe Clayson Monyela ila go botsa gore o tshwana le nna a mpotsa gore ke tshwana le wena ka gana ka re mara tso ka mo le mmotse ka gona ke gopela go idumela phatlalatsa mamotla a ba botse mona
wena o kila ipona
a re a tshwana ge
ya se
a re go leboga Dr. Griselda Kananda go dijo tša ka tša mesong ka la bonele le botse mošate.